Well, daggum, I think it's about time we get started. Oh, hey you, this is me, A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors. I just wanted to take a quick minute to discuss what Novi Outdoors is. Now, if you're wondering why this guy in the green shirt just popped up on your little search queries while you were looking for beginning fishing information, I'm going to tell you why real quick. Novi is short for novice, which is a beginner. And I was a beginner about a year ago. I got started into fishing seriously, and I was finding it real hard to find topics and information on guys that wanted to really break it down to what I was looking for with just getting started. And now it was tough because everything I was looking for was going right over my head. I should have just put my hand up right there so I could catch it all, but I couldn't. It was going right over my head. But this channel right here is going to be dedicated to new guys and beginners like you and me to learn information about the outdoors that's going to be applicable to what we're trying to do as beginners. Now, we're going to break it all the way down to the nits and griddles, okay? I don't know what that means, but we're going to figure it out together, okay? So it's going to be a first time, first users now coming together, figuring it out together, and it's going to be entertaining information, I promise you that. So we're going to keep the energy up high, and we're not going to get down low, okay? So we're going to bring it all together. We're going to invite new guys that are in the profession, that are knowing what they're doing, to come in and help us kind of pull it all together to get started, get in the outdoors, and have ourselves a good time. Because I tell you, buddy, that's where you have the most fun. Now, I appreciate you guys watching. I look forward to producing more content, more videos that are applicable to what you're looking for. And if you'd like to join the conversation, join the community, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And maybe that little bell thing down there, it looks like a bell. I think it lets you know when a new video comes up. So you're sure not going to want to miss that. So if you could do that, leave a comment and we'll talk some more. Identify what kind of videos it is you're looking for, and we'll go ahead and start producing it. I'll tell you that much right now. Now, I appreciate you guys coming by, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Let's do this together in the beginning, Novi style.